One, today I'll show you how to transfer money directly to a bank account using Taptap Send. So if you're new to this app, guys, Taptap Send is an easy, affordable way to send money internationally. Anyways, let's go through the steps together. So first things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to, if you haven't already, okay, download Taptap Send from your app store, and once installed, you just open the app and log in. Or if it's your first time, just create a new account, okay? And then the next step, guys, is after you're logging in, you're going to see a list of countries you can send money to. What you want to do is you want to tap on the country where the recipient's bank account is located, okay? Select that recipient's country, and then what you want to do, guys, in some countries, look, in some countries, Tap Send actually offers multiple transfer options like, mobile wallets or bank transfers. Just make sure to select the bank transfer option to send the money directly to a bank account, right? And step number four, guys, is actually you just want to enter the amount you want to send. Just type in the amount you want to send, and the app will show you the exchange rate and fees. So you can see exactly how much the recipient will receive. Okay, next, guys, what you want to do is you want to, you need the recipient's bank account information, such as the bank name, account number, and sometimes the branch code. Okay, Tap Send will guide you based on what's required for that specific country. So after you do that, guys, okay, you want to choose your preferred payment method, either a debit card or a bank account to fund the transfer. Enter your payment detail if it's your first time, or you can select an existing payment method. And before finalizing, guys, just double check, okay? Double check all the details to make sure everything is accurate. And once you're ready, just hit confirm, okay? Tap Send will process that transaction, and your recipient should receive the funds in the bank account really soon. And that's it, guys. Sending money directly to a bank account with Tap Send is very simple and quick. And hopefully, guys, this guide was helpful. If it was, make sure you smash that like button. If you're still having trouble, comment down below and I'll try to help you out. And guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're subscribed, I'll see you in the next one, guys.